Hi everyone, my name is Rachel King. I live in northern New Jersey. I was born in Philadelphia. Then I moved to Asheville, North Carolina, and then I spent most of my childhood in Brooms Island, Maryland, which is a small town right on the Chesapeake Bay, where there's not much to do. Took an hour to get to the closest shopping mall. Now living in northern New Jersey, it's nice to have everything at your fingertips. I did my undergrad at Montclair State University in New Jersey for athletic training, and then I did my internship with the New York Giants during the 2016 season. And then after I graduated, I started working at New Jersey Orthopedic Institute, an orthopedic office in Wayne, New Jersey. Most of my responsibilities include post-op care, scheduling surgeries, and just other office work. During that time period, I started taking prerequisites to apply for PA school. PA school has always been a dream of mine. So I'm now taking those classes, including this class that we are enrolled in. Also, I did my master's degree at Liberty University for sports administration. That was nice because that was also an online program, so I was able to do everything online while being able to work at the same time. During my free time, I like to golf, I like to read, and I also like to go to the beach. It is nice living in New Jersey that we're able to go to the Jersey Shore whenever we are. It's a nice weekend. Also, I am getting married this upcoming July, so that has been a lot of fun being able to plan and get things ready for that, as well as my best friend who's also my maid of honor. She's getting married actually 2 weeks after me, so it's been fun being able to schedule everything like that. I also have 2 cats. They are my fiance and I's little children. We treat them like they're our babies. Also, it is nice to be able to have family close by. With my fiance's family living close by, we're always able to hang out with them and being able to be around his nieces and nephews since my parents are still down in Maryland. I am looking forward to this class. I am really looking forward to this class. Having just my background in regular chemistry and being able to take orgochemistry, I'm excited to see what I can use to build off of that. I have a friend that took this class, and she said that she really liked the online aspects and being able to do the lab aspect online as well. And I guess just also a closing statement to end this video is I am very interested in what's going on in the public now with the coronavirus. Being in northern New Jersey, we just got news that we have like the 8th case that was reported, and 3 of those cases are in local hospitals that we actually do our procedure, our surgeries out of. So it's interesting to see how the economy is changing and how just everyday lives are changing due to the coronavirus. Can't wait to work with you guys and look forward to this class.